Alright, welcome back to the channel. Last week I said I was going to be building a shotgun for this week. And here it is. Nothing special. I made it slam fire. But I got some extras for it too though. I'm going to show you. But let me show you the details of it first. So, I got my little aiming device. Front handle, back handle, of course. Then it comes back. You see it angles down into a stock with springs. Helps out a lot. I like it. Alright, well, we're gonna be shooting that. I don't know if you can see it, but I got my two Remington 870s over there, 112 and 120. And you'll know why I got two in just a second. Stick around to the end of the video. I'm gonna pop off a little shorty. I don't know, just some targets, just because. I ain't shot her in a minute. She's fun. It's a little AR-9. Alright, so here's why I got two shotguns out instead of just one. So, I made some inserts. This one is for a 20 gauge. Slide that in there. And you take it. And it slides in there. So now it's a 20 gauge and a 12 gauge. Now this one is for a 28 gauge. Now raise your hand if you ever seen or heard of a 28 gauge. Now, I'll put your hand down back there. Now, you know you lying. I ain't never seen one, but somehow I got some 28 gauge bullets, so we're gonna use them. But here's how this one works. Same, similar, but this one is more of like a wedge, so kind of sits in there like that. Now, I got my target set up. Like usual, I got water bottles. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna check the spread. We're gonna check the difference of the spread pattern. I'm going to be shooting mainly birdshot, and then at the end I might shoot a slug out of it just to see if it'll handle it. Alright, we're going to start with the 12 gauge 870. I went ahead and took the plug out, so it's got no plug in it. Alright, I don't know if you can see it, but the top one's going to be the 870, bottom one's going to be the pipe gun. Alright, let's do it. I'm about 20 feet away, I'd say. Put this stick right here. Mark my spot. Alright. Aim for the middle. Alright, let's go look at it. About 13 inches is for the widest part of it. Alright, so basically all you do to load it, drop that in, get a good seal on there, just slide her in. Make sure you don't slide it all the way back though, because slam fire just, it shoots. Alright, let's shoot. Alright, I'm going to hit the bottom one. That way we can compare it. Alright, let's go look. I'm not sure if you can see it, but the furthest point on this one is 14 inches. So there's an inch difference, which ain't bad. Near as bad as I thought it would be, but shotgun's a shotgun. Alright, I got everything set up. We're gonna do it with 20 gauge. Fire! I love it. Alright, so I'm just gonna shoot both guns before I go to circling. Slide it in. And Yeah. Get it ready. Alright, here we go. Let's do this again. Let's see. Alright. Yep. I'd say the 20 gauge just ain't accurate at all. So let me explain. This one, this hole here is the wad from the, and this circle is from the 870. This hole is from the wad of my second shot from the pipe gun. Okay. Now this hole down here is the wad from my first shot of the pipe gun. And all these black dots were from the first shot, thinking I just didn't aim it right. I was gonna hit it again and we was gonna remeasure it, but no. First shot, second shot. So what I'm thinking is that that 20 gauge is so much smaller than the tube is, just not made for it. So they're bouncing around every which way, and they come out whichever way they come out. Alright, now we're just gonna have fun with some targets and with the pipe gun. Here we go, getting splashed. 3, 2, 1. Woo! 3, 2, 1. Look. Now let's see what this little 28 gauge can do. 28 gauge, that's crazy. Never seen one. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so I wanted to show you this before. You see that? That's all the VVs. And the wad. You see the wad in there? That's so funny. Alright, it's gonna be the last shot with the slam fire shotgun. But I'm gonna try shooting this slug and see if it goes through all 3 of the last 2-liter bottles. So let's find out. Right. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Okay. Well, I am soaking wet now, but look at these bottles. I don't know what. I'm guessing this one is part of this one. I don't know. Here's the second one, but there's the third one. Still good. This is my little AR 9mm. It's probably one of my favorite in my collection. Use my little 40 round mag. Let's load up and shoot it. Alright, let's see. We'll go outside first and shoot this bottle. Woo! It's snowing in September. Ah, shit. Alright. I don't know if y'all can see this. I hope y'all enjoyed me getting soaking wet and covered in shaving cream. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see something else. And I will see y'all in the next video.